Not making money until you're making money when you're not working.
What did he just say? Hey, welcome YouTube universe. It's me, E.T. Clark. Before we get started, I need to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I am just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about stocks. In this particular video, we're going to talk about the dividends that I received in the month of March. Remember, dividends are the true passive income play when you're dealing with stocks, REITs, ETFs, and so forth. All right. Once you have those set up, you can literally not do anything and it will continue to provide you with income. So let's take a look and see how I did in the month of March.
All right, let's dive into the dividends received in the month of March. This page here, I'm going to keep up. This here is a 2020 dividend and covered call summary for the whole year. I'm going to keep that up so that at the end of the year, I can compare the two. So let's just move into the summary for as you guys know, this here is a Charles Schwab Roth IRA account. And for the month of March, as you can see, I received $235.08, but I also wrote some covered calls and received $146.80. So total income for the month of March in this Roth IRA account was $381.88. Let's take a breakdown and take a look at the stocks and REITs and ETFs that actually paid out some type of dividend or distribution in the month of March. The first one we're going to look at is SUNS, SUNS. This one here paid me 31 cents. I only have 3 shares. As you can see here, I've only got 3 shares. It's on track now to pay me out a total of $4.10 by the end of the year. Next, we have LTC. This is a REIT. Paid me 39 cents. I have a total of 2 shares here, scheduled to pay me out $4.73. Next, we have Gladstone, GLAD. Paid me 69 cents. I have a total of 10 shares, and it's scheduled to pay me out $8.27. The others before the Sun and the LTC, all of those were monthly. And one thing that I like about this report that Charles Schwab gives me, I don't have to create the report. All I got to do is just really just kind of cut and paste the report to this presentation here. So it gives me, and one of the things that I really like about it, it shows you that it is monthly and it gives you the annual dividend rate and the current price. And I believe I pulled this down on the 16th of April. And this is for the month of March. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one is SCM. SCM paid me 88 cents. It does pay monthly. Have a total of 10 shares, scheduled to pay me out $9.75 by the end of the year. And then we have JPS that paid me $1.08. Pays monthly. I have a total of 21 shares. It should pay me $11.93 by the end of the year. Keep this in mind also with all of the stocks that I have here, I all have them set up on a drip, a dividend reinvestment. So basically what happens is the money that's paid out, like this $1.08 that's paid out, it's going to buy more fractional shares of this same stock. So I'm getting ready to put that $1.08 to work as well. So let's go to the next one. All right, PTY. PTY paid me $1.62. I have a total of 12 shares. Pays out monthly, 8.3%, and scheduled for 1962 total payout for the year. UTF 163 pays monthly, 10 shares, should get about 19 bucks, 1957 to be exact. Next, we have Maine. Main Street Capital paid me $3.14, pays out monthly, 15 shares, should receive $37.78 by the end of the year. Next, we have SPHD, paid me $7.25, pays monthly, and it's currently sitting at 43 bucks. I have a total of 51 shares. I should receive 91.88 by the end of the year. Next, we have O is magic. Now I'll tell you, O Realty paid me $8.34, pays monthly. You're looking at 4.2. This is a real estate investment trust. I just want to point out some quick notes on Realty, and I'm going to tell you right now, I'm definitely going to increase my shares in Realty. One of the things that I'm going to do with the rate that they pay out, if I just pick up 5 shares per month, that's increasing my monthly payout by $1, at least $1. So that's what I'm going to start doing on a monthly basis. I need to get my total shares up. I'm sitting at 35 shares. I need more than that. They're scheduled to pay me out $95.74 by the end of the year. But with this Realty Income Trust, this Realty Income REIT. Um, this would be my number one recommendation for anybody that's trying to start and set up a dividend portfolio. I would definitely say start out here. Even though I didn't, trust me, I'm going to build up my positions there. But a lot of good things about this company that I really like. I think this should be the cornerstone of any dividend portfolio. Real quick, they have over 4,900 properties. 95% of those properties are single tenant. When I mean by single tenant, I'm not talking about residential. I'm talking about commercial. 6,500 commercial properties such as Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, FedEx, Walmart, and Sam's Club. So this here is a should be a mainstay for any and everyone. I love this company. I'm going to start buying at least 5 shares per month to get that dollar extra payment per month, as well as increase my shares. Let's go to the next one. Next one here is QYLD. This one here is an option ETF. This one here paid me actually twice within the month, a total of $15.23. I have a total of 41 shares scheduled to pay out $108 by the end of the year. Next, we have CHI, paid me 23.08. I have a total of, total of 244 shares, pays monthly, scheduled for the year is going to be 274 bucks. Next, GOF monthly pair paid me 46.45. Have a total of 257 shares. I should receive by the end of the year 559 bucks from this one here. All right, next. Next we have PSEC, PSEC. All right, this one here is a closed-end fund, pays out monthly, pays out 9%. Paid me $61.09. Um, I have a total of 1,000 shares. And if you look over here, this shows you that in the month of March, I did sell a covered call on it for 10 contracts, received 146 bucks. That particular contract, call option contract, covered call, expires in the month of May. Yeah, I wrote it for 8 bucks because in the last 3 years, PSAT hit 8 bucks. That's the 3 year high. In the last 5 years, it was a little bit over 9 bucks, but it didn't stay there long. So I think I'm pretty safe with this 8 bucks here. It's currently sitting at 8 bucks, but by the middle of May, I'm sure it's going to be less than 8 bucks. And if it's not, then I'll know what to do to mitigate and get out of that contract. So there we go with PSAC. Next, we have SWKS. This one here, I only have 1.3 shares, paid me 69 cents, pays out quarterly. Next, we have Qualcomm, paid me $1.02, only have 1.5 shares, and also pays out quarterly. Next, we have Nordic American Tanker Company paid me $2.67, pays quarterly at a 12% rate, and I have 134 shares there. Next was Bank of America. Bank of America paid me $59.52. I have 332 shares, pays quarterly 1.8%. And for the year, it should pay me a total of about 238 bucks and 90 cents. Next. All right, that's it. That's all the payouts for the month of March. You've seen all the dividend payouts as well as that one cover call that I wrote for PSEC. So that's my total for the month of March. And we'll see how April is going to shape out. Right now, if I look at this, it shows me that April is going to be scheduled to pay out a little bit over 200 and probably about 60 some odd bucks, but we'll see. Actually, it should be more than this. Yeah, it's about 260. So that should be in the month of April. And then in the month of May, it looks like it always is always the last month pays out the least, and the best month is normally the second month within a quarter. All right. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that notification button.
So as you can see, we grew our portfolio in the month of March little by little, and we're going to continue to do that. I'm going to continue to use the dividend reinvestment program, the DRIP, and I'm going to continue to buy a few more shares of each one of those stocks, not each one, but shares of those stocks per month. For example, I know for a fact I'm going to try to pick up at least 5 shares of O each and every month, because every 5 shares is going to give me $1 extra per month. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I just need to send you off with just this one reminder. We've got to save. Once we save, we got to start putting that money into work. So you have to invest. And always remember that knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge that's true power. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.